So I've got a abrasive wheel chop saw, and I'm going to be cutting this aluminum at 12 millimeters. So I'm just going to set up my caliper for 12 millimeters and scribe a line, and then I can put the material in the saw and clamp it down. This will ensure that it's a square cut, and then I can visually check how the blade is cutting and make sure that the kerf is going to leave me the 12 millimeters. The kerf is the width of the blade. You want to make sure that the piece you want is on the outside of the blade. In this case, that's where I've got it. So now I'm going to turn on the saw and make the cut. It's going to take a while because it's very slow cutting. So once it gets past the horizontal cut, the vertical cut goes very quickly. But now I have a pretty good cut, 12 millimeter thick. There's a little burr right there. I can just remove it with the blade. This one's called the June Jip chop-off saw. I hope it's not that big of a jip.